Biker, you're impressive. Can you assemble an engine by hand? Let me see which one to choose. Take a look at this engine. Have you seen it before? A new type of engine? Today, let's just have a little taste of it. Just a little bit more. This is what it looks like after being assembled. It has over 230 parts in total. Assembly time is about 3 hours. Let's challenge today. Can we assemble it in 2 hours? Even the manual is this thick. It's equivalent to our IPC manual. It includes introductions to various parts. All are metal parts. The parts and tools are ready. Countdown, 2 hours. If it takes more than 2 hours, I'll just assemble it and give it away.
See and carefully, thoroughly, and meticulously observe.
The main part has been assembled. Now there are only 5 cylinders left. There's still an hour and 20 minutes left.
Let's keep going.
Please don't stop. Just keep going a bit. It likely we should. I don't think we should stop it, because there are many reasons to continue. It's important to consider all the factors involved before making a decision.
Cylinder head and main body are connected. There's still half an hour left. It should be enough. Done. The last step, the base installation is complete. There are 16 minutes left. What will it be like when we start it up? Let's immediately see the final result.